Welcome student. Today we started our online lecture on the paper MTH 304 Set Theory and Logic, which is nothing but our skill enhancement course and which is nothing but the optional course for the SYBSc students. So let us start with the unit Algebra of Propositions. So definition: a sentence which is either true or false but not both is called a statement. So statement is nothing but a sentence which is either true or false but not both. Statements are denoted by small letters P, Q, R, etc. The truth value of statement is nothing but its truthfulness or falsity. Some statements are composite that are connected with connectives such as and, or, if then, if and only if, etc. The truth value of composite statements is completely determined by the truth value of each of its substatements and the way they are connected to form the composite statement. That is, here the truth value of composite statement is wholly depends on the substatements and the connective by which they are connected. So examples: sky is blue and roses are red is a composite statement with substatements sky is blue and roses are red, and both are connected with connective and. It is raining or cold is also a composite statement with substatements it is raining and it is cold, and they are connected with connective or. What are you doing is not a statement since it is neither true nor false. Close the window is not a statement since it is a command. How cold it is not a statement, it is a exclamation. Conjunction. So any two statements can be combined by the word and to form a composite statement which is called conjunction of that two statements. So if two statements are connected by connective and, then we say that it is nothing but the conjunction of that two statements. The conjunction of two statements P and Q is denoted by symbol P and Q. Examples: let P be the sun is shining and Q be sky is blue. Then P and Q denotes the statement the sun is shining and sky is blue. Let P be statement Sham is playing and Q be he is strong. Then P and Q denotes the statement Sham is playing and he is strong. The symbol and can be used to define the intersection of two sets as below. A intersection B is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Rule. So this is important one. If both statements P and Q are true, then P and Q is true statement, otherwise it is false. That is, whenever both P and Q are true, then and only then its conjunction P and Q is true, otherwise it is false. So in other words, we can say the conjunction of two statements is true only when each of its component is true. So consider the following statements: Delhi is capital of India and 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Mumbai is capital of India and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Delhi is capital of India and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Chennai is capital of India and 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So by previous discussion, we can see that if both substatements are true, then and only then their conjunction is true. So here we see that the third statement, Delhi is capital of India and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here both substatements are true. So from that we can say the third statement is true and all other statements are false. So here only the statement 3 is true and all other statements are false, because in the first statement we have 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So this is the false statement. In the second example, that is Mumbai is capital of India. So this is nothing but a false statement. And in the fourth one, Chennai is capital of India. So this is nothing but a false statement. Note that If a statement P is true, then its truth value is denoted by capital letter T, and if a statement P is false, then its truth value is denoted by capital letter F. The truth value of P and Q is given by means of the table known as truth table. So we have that truth table for conjunction of that two statement P and Q. So this is nothing but a truth table. So whenever P is true, Q is true, then P and Q is true. Whenever P is true, Q is false, then P and Q is false. Whenever P is false, Q is true, then P and Q is false. Whenever P is false, Q is false, then P and Q is false. Now next one, that is disjunction. Any two statements can be combined by the letter or by the word or to form a composite statement, which is called disjunction of that two statements. The disjunction of two statements P and Q is denoted by symbol P or Q. Examples: let P be the statement the sun is shining and Q be sky is blue. Then P or Q denotes the statement the sun is shining or sky is blue. Let P be the statement Sham is playing and Q be he is strong. Then P or Q denotes the statement Sham is playing or he is strong. The symbol OR can be used to define union of two sets as below. So A union B is equal to set of all X such that either X belongs to A or X belongs to B. So rule: if either P or Q is a true statement, then and only then P or Q is true, otherwise it is false. So out of these P and Q, if one is true, then the disjunction of P and Q, that is P or Q, is true, otherwise it is false. So in other words, we can say the disjunction of two statements is false only when each of its component is false. So consider the following examples. So these are the same examples as we have discussed earlier. So in disjunction, if both substatements are false, then and only then their combined statement is false. So here we see that the fourth statement, Chennai is capital of India, are 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So here both substatements are false. So here this statement is false and all other statements are true. So here statement 4 is false and all other statements are true. The truth value of P or Q is given by means of the table given below. So this is nothing but a truth table for that disjunction of two statements P and Q. So whenever P is true, Q is true, then P or Q is true. Whenever P is true, Q is false, then P or Q is true. Whenever P is false, Q is true, then P or Q is true. Whenever P is false, Q is false, then P or Q is false. So thank you. In our next lecture, we discuss the topic, that is negation, conditional and biconditional statements, proposition, tautology and contradiction. So see you then. Goodbye.